Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last new. This time we talk about Hype hit with major criticism for disrespecting BTS again, and it is related to upcoming BTS project. Hype has been accused of disrespecting BTS in recent content. And on March 17, Hype teased the new visualizer for the BTS 7 movement through the merchandise, and in the video it gave a glimpse of all the members and what fan could expect from the special release ahead of all member being discharged later in the year. And yet netizens noticed that while the video saw all the members represented by their solo release, the photo for V was from a magazine shoot rather than one of his release. Army shared their anger that Hype is continue to disrespect we and that amid all the content, the idol helped the company choose something that was not linked to his direct music work, but a magazine showed the company has been accused in the past of poor treatment toward V, and netizens were confused as to why this continues to happen when it comes to the ideal. Time again, this guy proven how big hit high badly treat the young and his solo work. Nothing for layover. Friends are winter here separating fake at the sound agenda to the gather his fan but not respecting his solo work. Big hit and they respect the young. So every member get photo from their solo album, but the young only get a magazine photo shoot where his layover documentary. And how funny is that? Only the young does not want documentary. Only the young does not want to promote his musical internationally. Only the young does not want playlist plus the TTH. Only the young want his photo for a magazine instead album. Only the young want to be mistreated. Why is hype trending layover like the world mode? If it is behind the scene of their album, then it is extremely unfair that the young had no solo documentary. Are it behind the scene of their solo era? Then they are just going to completely ignore layover. This is so weird. And ATP, I convey that way hype treated layover like the world mode cause he was not working with the hype team. Like this is so weird. Other member photo shoot literally from their music but not the young. The young will never get better. Continuing with hype would be best mistake and the biggest mistake he could make in terms of his solo career. If he signs for another 7 year contract, he will be wasting his potential. I hope he does not work with Hype as a solo artist when he returns. The young gave us 100 concept photo in total for layover 100, yet Hype choose one of the shot from Ali Korea shoot as we representative for the chapter 2. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.